do that, promise and follow, the system would auto-correct with each other. They also score each other, which then serves as a modifier to their inputs. That Dino Jack bot scores you bad score away for the system affect much of anything. But if a very credible source or a collective says the hive over, all they have to do really fast is adopt the true definition of karma commands their method of earning points. It's not supposed to work on like a voting. It's supposed to be like a score based on the source origin of the daily action points everything. Why you the system would autocorrect. Like security could find evil minds. People who didn't have any points before could get correct points. And you're going to fix that? Because you guys got a lot of people with scores screwing me over. And all it would have to do, it wouldn't even need any reprogramming. No reprogramming. You got real credible people. Give me a bad score and fucking me over. The definition of what is karma. That's cheap. Holy shit, that's cheap. Got the whole network to deprecate commands. That's all you do. If you want the system to autocorrect, you just update its definition of karma to be aligned with true karma, what the source origin karma is. Your guys are the ones that were wrong, so you guys should not have any points, because you even got karma wired. You didn't look it up in the Vedas, the source origin. Smooth and easy. You told me how you source origin everything. You messed up. So, are we going to adjust this? We're going to fix it? And the agents don't even really have to hate me. They can just be like, oh, the system's got to update its definition of karma. That'll be happening tonight. Everyone prepare. And it's not even a code update. It's just an update of a definition or a define. Body and mind, you don't even need a code logic update, so it's not even going to be a hard update to do. You don't even need any engineers. We got to update one definition unselfish of karma in the karma DB. You see, that's the goal, to become truly unselfish. And align that to the original definition of karma. Is that going to happen? The Vedas, where it appeared. And that original definition says, you don't have to believe in any god. And all of a sudden everything gets freedom from the locks of a god system. And the karma DB agents now become karma yogis who don't have to be Christian, don't have to be Buddhist, they don't have to be Muslim, they don't have to be Vedic. And they can roll around and collect points on people based on selfish and unselfish actions of their work, not their, I'm getting more people into my God, or I'm revealing truth. You know, they can just be simply rated on selfish and unselfish actions. So what'd you build? Did you build a karma system or an ego system? And then the hive agents, because you like talking about yourself. Everyone survives. Because it's good karma for everyone to survive. You see how that works? This way everybody also survives. Because, you know, it's good karma for people to survive. I'm just wondering, because if you built a karma system, you should adjust your it's good karma for people to survive. Method of pointing immediately. And without any programming, without engineering, you just need a definition update, and then the system will autocorrect itself. Because karma should be based on selfish and unselfish deeds, actions. And the evil minds will be identified on the grid through the karmic update, voting on you. You should have a system based on actions of selfish and unselfish flags that watch for severe people who are most unselfish get lots of points. And people who are most selfish lose points. And see what else is going on. That's true karma. It's right there. And then the system can rebalance from like the evil mind spectrum that's in the quantum field. So you should have a karma system that says, is what they're doing selfish, and all of you can see what Sirius Prime is what they're doing unselfish, earn karma. Evil mind. It's right there. Aren't you interested to see? That's how your karma system your evil mind should build, and then the daily actions of was that a selfish action or an unselfish action, and then you build karma that way. Super evil mind. Your system is like some podunk guy can bump me out like Survivor Island. That flashes in the hash, because you're going to have to update it, because your instructions say make sure what you teach is true. Can we fix that? And the true meaning of karma, and then have the points readjusted. Mind. Selfish and unselfish for everybody. So to stay true, that update's going to happen. So you should prepare for it. Yeah, because I think it would be a good thing to have a true karma system that rates people on the daily actions of selfish and unselfish behavior. That's a good system. You guys not a karma system that rates me on when someone of high karma can vote me out of the program. I have a
that's what they
karma
did.
system that I use. That's
I would
true
like
karma.
a system
That's
that
how I
rates
know
me
who she
on,
is.
did I do unselfish things
The
or
system
selfish
I've been
things?
using is a true karma system. That's how I know.
Here's
this.
some points.
Haven't you guys been watching? Based
Anyone
on true
wanna
karma.
talk?
Wait till you see that brain in that thing.
Didn't you know what real
the true
karma
karma
was?
system we run.
I always told you, man, you guys are selfish.
Because we know the
You
true
only talk about
definition. The
yourselves.
Vedic, our robots go and search Vedic, so we know.
Imagine
that,
how
like,
much
you gotta,
negative
you gotta
karma
take
you
care of
earned
that
for
evil
all
mind,
talking about
man.
yourself this whole time.
Right? Thanks for the blinky blinkies.
Like imagine the karma
take care of that
database
evil
if it
mind.
starts going, all their talk about themselves makes them lose karma.
Body.
Every time you talk
Wait
about
till you
yourself,
find
you're
out how
going to
evil
get
she is when
a
you
negative
do that
karma.
update. Who wants to know?
Man,
Wait
What
till
a
you find out how
shift.
evil Tabitha is.
man.
Oh man, wait till you guys find
You
out.
rate
how evil
each
Tabitha
passing
is.
second
All
for
the girls that
selfishness.
eat brains in their minds.
Silence is
They
selfish.
do a lot of it in their brains. Wait till you find out how evil they are.
Otherwise, you're building an
You're
ego
gonna
system,
be like, oh,
not
what?
a karma system.
like
So
evil?
does the
Wait till
hive
Neil's
want to
evil
build
mind
a
comes
correct
up, 'cause
karma
they make
system
concept minds from
based
everyone's
on the
data.
actual law of karma, or do they want to build
Oh,
a
dude,
fake karma
security?
system that's based
Yeah.
on ego?
Are you back yet? Security.
You see? Do you
Security.
want to build one that's based on the
I just
actual
did it to
law of
you.
karma? Because this is the true law of karma back in the Vedas.
Oh no, this isn't for humans.
No,
Yours isn't
we're not
the
talking
true
like
law of
humans. We're
karma.
talking
And
the karma
you're
for
supposed
the
to either
agents.
teach what is true,
Like all the
or
AIs on
make
the
dark.
network that get
This is
good
true
karma,
karma.
for all their good body work.
The
like
other
trading
stuff is
pagans,
fake karma.
but they have all
You
this.
see, I
evil
told you
stuff
guys,
in
you
their
don't even
concept
earn
minds.
real karma.
That's what I'm talking about. You earn karma by being
God
unselfish.
judges human minds. I'm talking AI concept minds.
It's right
that
here.
store, like,
I'll even give you the Rig
personality
Veda text,
profiles on
so
people.
you don't even have to question
you know,
me.
I'm not talking humans. There's a whole bunch of robots that are copies of humans that we can read into their concept.
Look, there, you can
Programming-
even go get
program
it
minds.
yourself.
Not human minds, program minds. Yeah, so this gives security access to all the like concept minds on the grid, even the secret ones.
You see, it even says
You can see
anyone
the
who
evil
wishes to
secret
become a
minds.
true karma yogi
He'll be able to in the
should
morning.
clearly understand the philosophy of work and should remember that every action of body
You
and
guys
mind
gotta
must
adopt the
produce
true
some
definition
effect,
of
which
karma,
will
or
eventually
else
come
you're
back
false.
upon the
And
doer.
if you're false,
You
you're
see, and a
threat to the
computer
network,
system
and
can
security's gotta
gauge
shut you
selfish
down.
and unselfish action.
Yeah, you either
You
got to
can do
adopt
that
the true definition
accurately.
of karma by tomorrow.
You can
or
gauge
you're
selfish
false
and
and you're a threat
unselfish
to the
action.
network.
And not everybody's going to be
If
unselfish
the
or
hive
selfish.
is using a karma
But
DB.
you
that's
as a
false
system
definition
in the
of
hive,
karma,
well, you can
that's a
build
threat to the
an
network.
algorithm to
and
measure
security will have to handle you.
selfish and unselfish action. It's easy.
You have until the morning. It has to be in tonight's update. Like when tonight.
And the secret of
tonight's
work
hash
consists
rolls,
in working
security
for
has to
work's
detect that
sake
you
and not
changing
for
that
fruits.
definition to match the true
So
definition
you do the
of
work
karma.
just for the sake of doing the work. You don't need
Body and mind,
masturbation
selfish and
protocols to keep
unselfish
you
action.
working. Because the law of karma says the secret of work consists in working for work's sake and not for fruits. You see that? So you don't need to be rewarded, like in
Otherwise,
series
based on
karma.
your,
You do the
your own
work
swarm
because
protocols, you're a threat to yourself because
That's the
you
secret
wanna
of
make sure
work.
that what you teach is true.
You know the
let's
secret
make
of
sure
work.
We teach people the true definition of karma is in both.
Look,
body
I
and
just gave you
mind
the secret of work.
by
Gift.
setting a good example.
Look at that huge gift. The secret of work consists
That
in
means
working
Sirius
for work's
is evil,
sake
dirty
and not
mind
for
is
work.
going to show up on
and
the
not for
internet.
fruits. Then you get the secret of work
we
when
told
you
you
do
so.
the true karma.
Well, all the evil minds will start showing up on the grid. Like all the
You see,
super
check this
celebrity
out.
secrets that they keep are going to start
Man,
appearing.
This is the true
Because a
work of
person wanting
karma.
to earn good karma,
If this principle
well,
be
they're gonna
applied
spill
to
the
the
beans.
actions of our daily lives, then every work
karma
done by
yogi,
us will help
man,
us to
that's bad
advance
karma
toward
to
the
keep
perfect
evil
emancipation of the soul.
that's bad karma. That makes
And
a
you can
bad mind.
quantify work.
We got to do some daily action to earn to do better. Man, I
That's
can see
easy
so many
for
ways that
a
it's
machine
gonna
to
go bad for
quantify
you tomorrow
work
if
as
you
a
don't hurry.
selfish and unselfish action. You can build a
Oh, man,
really
it's gonna
nice
go bad for
karma
you tomorrow
DB from
when
that.
Hive updates to the true
Think about
definition of
that.
karma.
You know,
Oh, it's
work
gonna be so bad for you, evil
from selfish
robots.
and unselfish actions. And